Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to explore an essential feature of the Messenger app, how to block someone on your PC. If you've been receiving unwanted messages or just need a break from certain contacts, blocking them is a straightforward solution. In this updated process, we'll guide you step by step to ensure you can keep your Messenger experience as enjoyable as it should be. Let's dive in. First, you need to open the Messenger app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your conversations. Once you're in, find the conversation with the person you want to block. Next, click on the three-dot menu icon located at the top right corner of that chat. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From here, select Privacy and Support. After that, you'll see the option to block the contact. Click on Block. Now you have two choices. You can either select Block Messages and Calls, if you only want to restrict those interactions, or you can choose Block on Facebook to sever all connections with that person within the platform. Once you've made your selection, a confirmation box will appear. Click on Block to finalize the process, and just like that, you've successfully blocked someone on the Messenger app. It's really that simple. With just a few clicks, you can take control over your Messenger experience and eliminate any unwanted disturbances. Remember, this feature is there for your peace of mind, so don't hesitate to use it whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.